Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I want to give you a peek at my organized closet. It's taken me 2 days to do this and I'm exhausted, but I finally finished and I wanted to give you a tour. Now the entire closet is not mine. As you can see on this side, it's all men's clothing. So that's my hubby's clothing. All his t-shirts and polos are up there, and all his other shirts are here with his pants and jeans down there. So we made the most out of this closet. So then my part starts over there. It's like an L shape. So it starts at the end and then it goes all around like this, all the way to the door. The door right there. Okay, so let me start here, and I want to go through this quickly because I don't want to take too long. Here are all my sleeveless shirts, blouses, and then down here I have all my pants. I got that rack at a yard sale for $10, brand new, so it was perfect for the pants. Then I have my other clothing there that has sleeves. Then up here I have all my little things, all my pretty things. So it starts with a honeymoon picture of us right there. Then those figurines, vintage, you've probably seen them in one of my videos. I'm going to keep making more videos with them. And then it just goes all the way around. Those boxes here, round boxes, they have my mother's jewelry in there. Then I have some dolls right up there. Have one there and a whole bunch over here. Some little jewelry boxes. That artwork, when my cousin gave it to me. So I'm going to show you the rest of it. This is just the top, and it goes all the way over there on the wall there. I selected some cards that I had, and also part of calendars. They're cats and dogs and stuff like that. And then I got all the bags hanging there. Then I have this thing in the corner. It's like a 4 or 5 tier rack, and it also has my clowns, dolls. Look at this one. This one's so pretty. She reminds me of my granddaughter. Then I have stuffed animals and stuff like that I won at carnivals. Look at this monkey here. Then I have this section, which is my favorite. This is where I have my shoes, my little shoes, my tiny shoes. Look at all the girls here. And then I have all those shoes that I've shown you in different videos. You know, I collect shoes besides dollhouse miniatures. You know, with time, I don't buy them all at once, and I get them, cheap, like thrift shops, yard sales, flea markets. That's where I get most of these shoes. Aren't they pretty? Look at that with the bag. Then the perfumes there. Those mirrors were a gift from someone. And then some of these figurines, like this one, I bought at Hobby Lobby along with that other one right here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get to cover everything, but that's a ring holder right there, as well as that shoe. There's another ring holder and this other shoe. This one is the biggest one, and I got it for $1 at a yard sale. This is the bottom. This is a little piggy bank here that I'm filling up for my little granddaughter. Then I have bags over there, and those squares, and some albums. I'm big on pictures, so I have a ton of albums, and now I have my mom's albums too. So I have albums there, You can see how I've labeled them, but they're still not totally organized. So this is what the closet looks from this end over here. See the door right there? So let me go to this side because I'm going out the door. So this is the organized closet. Like I said, it took me 2 days, and I hope it stays like that for a while. I told my hubby, please put things back. But he will. He's pretty good with that. I was just kidding with him. So this is it. This is the closet. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and thank you for watching.